What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Sal here. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be the beginning. This could be the beginning of the greatest wealth transfer that many of us have seen in our lifetimes. Now, for many of you watching this right now, you missed 2000. You were probably too young, or you were, uninformed. You missed 2009. You were too young, or you were uninformed. You cannot miss out on the billions of dollars that will be transferred to new people as this stock market collapses. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are at the top. And today was just the beginning of a major reversal in the stock market. I've been talking about this for several months. I've been hoping, I've been praying. Now the market could very well clap back. The market could very well clap back. Let me put that back on here. The S&P futures right now doing pretty well. NASDAQ doing pretty well. Let me look the commodities. Gold, silver, crude doing something. Natural gas, nothing. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we could have the market snap back a little bit tomorrow, but we could be overwhelmed by selling pressure. Now, if we get another day of aggressive red, I think my analysis is correct. That again, this could be the beginning of an amazing wealth transfer if you have prepared, or if you are still preparing yourself to position your account, your trading ability to take advantage of this massive wealth transfer. But you've got to be smart, and you got to make sure that you don't listen to everyone out there, because you've got individuals, and I'll show this video, this man, you already know who he is, telling people without necessarily saying it to stay in their positions, to continue to ride it out. Now, he's not exactly saying it, but he's not exactly saying the opposite of that either. Go ahead and play the beautiful bean footage.
And you have to recognize that if you're going to adopt a Buffett attitude, you're going to run through this. And if you're going to adopt an attitude of we're all talking about Comey, you're going to sell. And what I'm trying to do is say, listen, there's never anything wrong with taking a little gain. But because this is not going to be the first day we hear the word impeachment. But I also think when you go back and you read those articles, it's like, oh, God, I sold my Amazon. Why did I sell it? Well, because there was an impeachment vote for Clinton. Well, that was 1997. But, there was always something. There was a war. There was something that made us feel like, you know what, I cannot own Amazon.
So nothing matters.
No. Some stories, to use the verb, trump what happened.
Right.
And I'm not trying to say to someone, listen, if you have a 300-point gain in Amazon, you shouldn't take some. I am saying, remember why you sold it a few months from now. Remember why.
So you saw what the guy had to say. You saw what the guy had to say. He basically answered it without answering it. So you're on your own as an investor. You're on your own as an investor. And this is about to turn into the wild, wild west. So you've got to make sure you're positioned to win. Now, this isn't just the NASDAQ here. As you can see here, most Dow stocks are now below their 50-day moving averages. So we are going bearish. We are going bearish. In fact, I also learned today that the S&P 500 hasn't moved more than 0.05% in the last 2 weeks. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going very, very bearish right now. We are going very, very bearish right now. But let me make something clear to you. Let me make something clear to you and remind you people what this is all about. All right, this is a great Investors Business Daily article that's more pro, going long than anything. But the stock market is America's greatest wealth equalizer. Now, the article is completely, go long, blah, blah, blah. Yes, we have we have, the #1 economy in the world, the most creative economy in the world. It goes on, blah, blah, blah. But I want you guys to pay attention to the topic. The stock market is America's greatest wealth equalizer, and it's so sad that 52% of Americans have no stock market holdings at all. Have no stock market holdings at all. Now, I believe, again, I'm going to reiterate this, that we're going in the direction where you actually want to be one of those people who probably doesn't have that much out there. But again, using your ability to learn how to short, using how to, use a proper put strategy, you can be able to make wealth while the market, falls on its ass. I want to put this video out there to get you thinking about how to make money as the market falls. Learn it, figure it out. Google, how to short, how to buy puts, all that stuff. Just start getting the information, because we've enjoyed and we've been spoiled by an incredible rally here. Every other day, a stock up 10%, 20%, 30%. Look at all that red on the screen right now. Look at all that red on the screen right now. That's a lot of red. That's a lot of stocks down. Figure it out, ladies and gentlemen. There's money to be made. It's your boy Sal. I'm out of here.